Today I'm going to be checking out these boat seats that I was sent so I could do this review. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box and check them out. So here they are out of the box. It comes with 2-seat bottoms and 2-seat backs. And they're pretty nice. They're contoured. They have a dip right here in the middle. And they look really nice. And same thing here. They've got the edges that are kind of puffed out and the dip here in the middle. And they come with the brackets. Of course, 2 for each seat that bolt on the sides. I'll show you that in just a minute. And the manual. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting these together. The hardware are right here. They've got bolts down here on each side, like this, where you put the brackets. And the same thing here on the back of these. They've got the bolts here on the side, like this here. Nice upholstered back. And then a pretty hardy plastic bottom here. I like that. No wood to rot. So that's pretty important. I'm going to get them put together. And here are the seats all put together. It does come with the mounting hardware you're going to need to attach each one of these seats to the boat. And yeah, they're really nice. I even pulled them down, sat in them, put them on a bench that I had over here, and they feel really comfortable. I definitely think they're going to be good, long-lasting seats. This time I'm actually going to take the seats out of the sun. I'm putting some disconnects on the bottom of them so that way I can just pull a lever and take them out of the boat, because that's what happened to the original ones. They're all torn up. But these are actually really comfortable, a lot like the original ones that were there that are way more expensive. So I'm pretty happy with them. I think you will be too, and I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.